Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set custom ringtone on your NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So basically, if you want to set your favorite song or sound as your ringtone, I'll show you how to do it. So basically, first up you'll need to have sound or music in MP3 downloaded on your phone. You can download it from Google or any other platform with music. So if you did download it, open up your settings and go here to sound and vibration, and down here to phone ringtone, SIM1 or SIM2, whatever you're using. So as you can see, phone ringtone, and you can choose from basically ringtones of NUBIA or choose your own music right here. So it will work like this. So SIM1 reunion, and that means that I have set a custom ringtone on a NUBIA Focus 2. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.